In this lesson, we're going to talk about the derivative of logarithmic functions, and we're going to do different type of examples. So let's get started. Well, before we go through the examples, I want you guys to understand the basic formula. So, just trying to think in this formula is going to help you a lot. So this one is the basic formula that you're going to need when you guys are dealing with the derivative of the logarithmic functions. So all the time, you got to memorize this formula. So just trying to apprehend when you guys get some free time. So now, as you guys can see, when you got log a to the u, m is just the number that they give you, and u means just whatever the number or the variable that you get in the exponent spot. So the thing, how to derivate that type of stuff is you just gotta derivate the exponent spot or the exponent number or variable, and then after that you also gotta write this u, this number or whatever the thing is down uh, in this spot, and after that just all you have to do is just ln a or write ln a means the number that they're gonna give you. But it seems a little bit complicated when I'm trying to demonstrate what this formula is all about. But when I use this formula, when we do some examples, you can understand it. So let's just do some examples. Let's just use this formula and let's demonstrate what I'm saying. So let's do it. Okay, so when you count to the first one, it says that log 3 raised to the x. So now I want you guys to uh, memorize the formula. Just let me write the formula for you over here, and you're gonna see how the formula and the equation relates. So the formula is just log a to the u is always equal to u derivative over u ln a. So this spot is actually just trying to indicate derivative, so it will be u derivative over u over ln a. So don't forget this formula. So I'm gonna use this formula. So when I use this formula for this question, a means, or this means, this one a represents the value of 3. So 3 means a, and then u means, or this one is x. So now it is so easy for you to to use the formula. So I'm gonna use my formula. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I want to derivative x. So the derivative of x is what? The derivative of x is 1. And then the whole over, I want to write x again because I have to write this u in my formula. So it will be what? It will be x the whole over ln a. So m is this one or this value, so it will be 3. And then we're done. So this is all you have to do. The main thing you have to know is just the formula. So once you understand the formula, it is kind of like so easy for you. So now let's do the second example, and I want you guys to stop the video and try the second one since this is so easy. So I want you guys to try the second example. So now let's do it. When you count to the second example, it's just the same thing in the same procedure. All we have to do is just use the formula. So, but the thing with the second one is we don't have a. So when you don't have a, you just gotta use 10 as a. So I want you guys to memorize this all the time. Just for example, when there's a equation like if it is log x, a means, or the value that's over here is gonna be 10. So just trying to use 10, or all the time you have to use 10 when you don't have a. So with that being said, let's just do it then. So it will be what? It will be, you have to derivate this whole thing. So it will be 2x and the whole over, you're gonna write this whole thing again. So it will be x squared and ln a means 10. So we're done. And then this is it. This is all you have to do. Actually, you can simplify this if you want to. You just cancel this to x and it will be 2 over x ln 10. So and then it means you're done. So this is it, and this is all you have to do. Now let's do just a little bit critical questions, so a little bit different questions, and then we're gonna finish. So now when you come to the third question, the third one says that log x. So as I told you, you gotta use 10 as a when you don't have any, when they don't give you any a value. So I'm gonna use that. So it will be what? It will be my formula is what? It will be u derivative over u ln a is my formula. So what this means is when you derivate x, you're gonna get what? You're gonna get 1. And the whole over x ln what? ln 10. Because that's what I'm gonna use. And then that's it. This is all you have to do and we're done. And I want you guys to try the last one of the last question since this is so easy for you. So, but when you count the last one case, it seems like we got a. So, we're gonna use 0.5 as a. So, will be we got to derivate 8x. When you derivate 8x, it will be 8 and 8 over and divide this whole thing again. It will be 8x ln 0.5. ln what? ln 0.5. And then you're done. So this is it. As you guys can see, so when you guys are dealing with this logarithmic function, the main thing you have to know is the formula and how to use those formulas. What is a and what a represents and what u represents. If you know that whole thing, it will be easy for you to just to do the whole thing. So this is it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And we're done. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.